Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a cosplay makeup tutorial. Now this is going to be more geared towards the girls who want to be cosplaying as like a magical girl, like Sailor Moon, Tokyo Mew Mew, and Wings Club kinds of girls. This is really going to showcase your beauty. This is going to make you pop out of the costume, not the costume eats you up. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video, and let's just get started. So everything I have today is from the drugstore, either CVS, Rite Aid, or Walgreens. So this is very, very affordable if you need to run and pick out a couple things. So we're going to be starting off with a primer today. I'm just going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 primer. You can use whatever is good for your skin type. If you are an oily skin girl, use a mattifying primer. Wet n Wild has a really good primer. Very, very dry, I would recommend using a dewy skin primer. I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. So now we're going to go straight into the eyes. I already have my brows done, which is very important because brows are the framework to your face. So always fill in your brows. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Shadow Lock Primer. I love this stuff. This is $2. You can get this at CVS and Target and probably Walmart. So you can find this almost everywhere. Stuff likes to dry down quickly, so I like to make sure that I really blend it in. I'm going to be going in with the Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow in the shade 730. And this is just a very beautiful rose gold shade. I mean, this is the most flattering color on any single skin tone all across the board. So I'm just going to be taking this on a finger, clean finger of course. I'm just going to be putting that in the center of my lid. Now you can put it all over your lid, it's whatever you decide. I think you should put it on in the center. It just adds a little bit of life to your face. And I'm not even going to be going in with a crease color or anything. I'm just literally sticking to this. I'm going to be going into Blossom Glow by Wet n Wild. It's a very beautiful pinky highlighter. And I'm just going to take that on my finger. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the center of my lid. So just right there. And it kind of creates like a little spotlight. And it kind of adds to the shine. Now you can just take your other finger and just blend it out, and it just, to me, it just adds everything. It just adds a little bit of light. I like to put it right over where the pupil sits, that way it draws attention to it. I'm going in with my Essence eyeliner. This isn't at the drugstore, but you can go in with any felt tip liner or your go-to liner. You don't have to use this, but I would recommend just going in with any Wet n Wild eyeliner and do a small little wing. That's optional, you don't have to. If you'd rather just line your eyes, you can do that, but I'm just going to do a very itty bitty little wing. So I'm going to be taking my Keep Going crayon eyeliner that's supposed to be sweat proof and waterproof. This is by Wet n Wild, and I have it in the shade Endorphin High, which is pretty much a black. Now you can just go in with a crayon eyeliner or a pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to go and take it and smudge this underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go ahead and take just like a nice little buffing brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so you would go ahead and put it in a nude eyeliner or a white eyeliner in your waterline. I currently don't have one, so I'm not able to do that, but that is going to make your eyes look a little bit more awake and open and more manga-like. But I'm just going to be taking this Lash Paradise eyeliner, and it's in the shade Rose Gold, and put this right in here. Makes them look a little bit more manga-like. So I'm just going to go and put some on the inner corner as well, right here. Or if you want, you can just take your highlighter that you put in the middle, and you can just take some on your finger and just put it in the inner corner, just like that. It just adds a little bit of life to your face and then makes you look more awake. It kind of adds to like the doll look. Now I'm just going to take my Great Lash Lots of Lashes mascara in Blackest Black, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some. I'm really going to go ahead and focus on my outer lashes because that will give me more of a cat-eyed effect. I'm not going to contour, I'm not going to bronze, I'm just going to go and keep everything very blushy because that is mostly what anime characters have. It's just a lot of rosiness. So I'm going to be going into my Milani Tea Rose blush. So I'm just going to go and take some blush and put some on my nose because I feel like it adds to the cute factor. I'm taking a random brush and I'm just going to be blending everything, all that blush out. Just blend it all out. Taking a Milani Dulce Pink, and I'm just going to be putting that on the apples of my cheeks just for a little glistening effect. And now for highlights. So we're just going to be taking Blossom Rose or whatever shade that is best on your skin tone. And I'm just going to be going in and highlighting my face. So I'm just going to be taking just a nice little small brush. You can be an eyeshadow brush or just take your normal highlighting brush. And I'm just going to go and highlight the high points of my face right on my cheekbone. And then I'm going to be adding some highlight to my nose because I love a nose highlight. Some right in between here. And you can add just like a teensy bit on your chin, not too much, and then some right above your temples. Then I'm going to be taking this blending brush again, and I'm just going to be buffing out the edges of the highlighter so it doesn't look like one big strip. Now the most important thing is to set your face. That like you're going to want to do that, especially if you're going to be there for long periods of time. So I'm just using the NYX matte finish spray. You can use any matte finish spray or a dewy spray depending on your skin type. Now depending on what you want on a lip color, you can go for a cream lipstick or a matte lipstick or a liquid lipstick. It's whatever you want. I would recommend going for a color that is like your lip color but better. It just adds a little bit of life to your face. So I'm going to be going into the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. I've seen this work on multiple skin tones, and especially on my sister, and she's a lot more tan than I am, so this may work for a tanner skin tone, or Give Me Mocha may be a good option. It just depends on what you want. Or a nice sheer gloss would be good too if you really don't want to go in with a lipstick, but this is what I prefer to do. So I'm going to be going in with this LA Colors Super Gloss Pout Lip Gloss. This is a nice clear shade. You can just go for the Wet n Wild version of it because I know they have a very beautiful clear gloss that you can use if you're at Walgreens. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right in the center of my lips. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!